Hello, all. We are now on day 3 of the lead coaches Saturday training. So in day 2, I showed you how to log into Wufoo and actually make a Wufoo form. In this particular post, I am going to show you how to actually set up your Wufoo form so that it will export properly when you are doing the actual Excel spreadsheet set up by our fabulous coach Rhonda. So let's take a look. So what I'm going to do is actually log into Wufoo. So I'm sharing my screen here. So I'm going to go and log in. And what we're going to do is just look at the Saturday form that I set up for the last challenge that we had in June. So I'm going to go to edit just so you can see the form and how it should be set up. So again, like I said before, if you're managing 2 groups of people, actually 2 groups of challengers, then you would have 2 groups here. So which group are you in, group 1 or group 6? That's the first question, and then they can pull down their name in the pull down menu. So if it's group 1, then what you go and do here is pull down the list of names. Now, this is something that you need to have set up. I showed you how to pull in fields. This field is actually a multiple choice field. As you can see here, it's a multiple choice field. And it's set up in 1 column. And then the next field that we have here is a drop down menu. And this is select your name for group 1. So here is where you populate all of the ladies' names that are in your group. So as you can see, there are a lot of ladies who were in group 1. And then you would add another drop down menu for the group 6 ladies. Okay. So one thing, if you have 2 groups, what I will tell you is that you have to set this field up a certain way, and I will show you when we go back to the form in a little bit. But for now, you should only have 1 group. So you wouldn't even have to have this question if you only have 1 group. You would just have the select your name box and then pull the, make it a drop down menu, and then you start adding all of the ladies' names that are in your particular group into this. And as you can see, you do plus and minus to delete selections or add sections in between. And I typically like to do this in alphabetical order by first name. That way they can find their name fast. The next question should be enter your weight. It's just a single line text, and this is a required field. Remember that required field box that I talked about in the first one. And then the next one after that is a file upload, and then you just put that this is the weight photo, and then make sure that you put the instructions in there. A lot of times they don't read the instructions, but it's good to have it in there for those who actually are very thorough and read. And again, next will be chest measurement, and then chest photo, right arm measurement, right arm photo, and just make sure that these instructions are in here. And the instructions are just saying don't pull it too tight. Please upload the file of your right arm and don't pull it too tight. That's basically what it is. Make sure you put the right arm file upload, left arm measurement, left arm photo, waist measurement, waist photo, hip measurement, hip photo. And again, it should be in this order. So we want select your name, enter your weight, weight photo, chest measurement, chest photo, right arm measurement, right arm photo, left arm measurement, left arm photo, waist measurement, waist photo, hips measurement, hips photo, right thigh measurement, right thigh photo, left thigh measurement, left thigh photo. And then at the end, you can put a drop down menu and say, which week is this for? And this makes it easier for when you are actually exporting the file that you know this is what this week is for, and that this is where you should start the next week's Saturday results. Okay. So I put this in here. You have your beginning measurements, your week 1, your week 2, your week 3, your week 4. And this will change based on the way that we're setting up the new challenge. because we aren't requiring the measurements until the end of the actual getting to know the process phase. So there will be 4 versus 5 measurements. There will be the beginning measurements, the week 1, week 2, and week 3 measurements. It won't be a week 4, so you can leave that one out. And then this question is just a drop down. Did you have problems uploading your pictures? And then, yes, I don't know what's wrong. No, my pictures are on the form with no errors. And then another drop down, if you answer no to the question above, did you submit your pictures to your encourager already? And this is just to see how many issues that we're having, so we can keep track of how many issues we're having with uploads. This isn't necessary, but this is just something for us. So the necessary items are from here all the way up to here. And then inside of these instructions, it says, all right, ladies, show us what you're working with, share your measurements, your stats and photos are due by 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time each Saturday. I put that in there because most of the ladies that are challenging with us are on the East Coast. And so you can change that to Central Standard Time, whatever time you want. Post your numbers and upload your photos directly into the survey. If you get a confirmation screen, we received your submission. To help ensure your submission goes through quickly, make sure you have a strong internet Wi-Fi connection and your photo size is not too large. Adjust the photo size in your camera settings to medium or small. And then a lot of ladies do not read this, but I believe that we're having some type of documentation or training set up to show the ladies how to shrink their photos, because a lot of times when we have issues with uploads, it's because the pictures are too large. And then it has it here, check out our blog for how to, for instructions on the policies for the group, like when you should post, which you should post in your trackers that we're now calling your diary. So we have all that information here. You can put whatever you want in this section here. This is just what I have used here, okay? So that is how to actually set up your weekly STATurday form for it to work properly with the export to Excel. If you have any questions, leave them below and we will get them answered for you.